Welcome, doctors. If you're watching this, chances are you're dealing with the stress of prior authorization long holds on the phone, denied claims, and the frustration of treatment delays. It's not just a hassle for you, but it impacts your patients too. But what if there was a way to eliminate these headaches? Outsourcing your prior authorization process could be the solution you need. It can save your team hours of work, reduce those pesky denials, and speed up the entire approval process, all while improving patient care and cutting costs. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right partner for your practice? Let's dive into what you should look for when selecting the best prior authorization company for your needs. First, you'll want a company with industry expertise. Not all PA companies are created equal. Some specialize in pharmacies or durable medical equipment, while others focus on medical practices. You need a service that understands your specialty and handles your most common procedures. For example, if you're a cardiologist, make sure the company has experience handling things like imaging, medications, and high-cost treatments, such as biologics. Next up, speed and efficiency are critical. We all know that delays in prior authorization lead to treatment gaps and frustrated patients. A good PA company should have fast turnaround times, ideally within 24 to 48 hours. Do they use advanced technology like AI or automation to speed up approvals and reduce errors? Also, can you track the status of your requests in real time? These are key factors in ensuring a smooth workflow and timely approvals. Insurance coverage and payer relationships are another major consideration. Your PA partner should have solid relationships with all the major insurance providers you work with. They should be up to date on each insurer's policies and know how to navigate complex guidelines to get approvals faster. If you deal with Medicare, Medicaid, or private insurance plans, make sure they have experience with these and can handle appeals for denied authorizations. Another important aspect is compliance and security. Since prior authorization involves sensitive patient information, you need a company that's fully HIPAA compliant and has robust security measures in place to protect that data. This will help you avoid any potential compliance violations and ensure patient information stays safe. Finally, technology and integration should not be overlooked. A reliable PA service should integrate seamlessly with your EHR system, whether you use Epic, Cerner, or Athena Health. Does the company offer secure, automated solutions that reduce manual entry? Make sure their system works well with your existing workflow for maximum efficiency. When you take all these factors into account, you'll be well on your way to selecting the best prior authorization company for your practice. If you're ready to get started, consider leveraging Staffingly's healthcare outsourcing services. They specialize in prior authorization and can streamline the entire process for you. Let us know your thoughts in the below comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning into Staffingly Inc.